The film begins with a shot of the market square in Strzegom, which has been the heart of the city's life for centuries. From above, the urban layout, historic tenement houses, cafes, and the town hall, one of the most important buildings in the area, are clearly visible. Its architecture, inspired by classical forms, attracts the attention of both tourists and locals. The market square, especially from a bird's-eye view, showcases the blend of history and modernity. Strzegom is a city that is constantly developing while also taking care of its heritage. The market tower is a remnant of the former city hall dating back to the 14th century, now serving as an observation tower. After renovation in the 2000s, it reached a height of 35 meters, offering visitors panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. Roman Catholic Church in Strzegom, under the invocation of the Savior of the world and the Mother of God, is one of the most important religious monuments in the city. Its construction dates back to the 15th century, and its current shape is the result of multiple renovations, the last of which took place in the 19th century. The church is characterized by its Gothic architectural style, although its interior also contains Baroque elements. It is one of the most important places of worship in Strzegom and is worth a visit while in town. One of the most significant moments in the film is the shot of the monumental minor Basilica of the Apostles Peter and Paul. This Gothic church dominates the city skyline, impressing with its architectural details. Its soaring towers, massive buttresses, and richly decorated interior make it a true gem of Lower Silesia. The basilica's history dates back to the Middle Ages, when Strzegom was an important religious and trade center. From a drone's perspective, one can appreciate its unique location in the surrounding square, which often hosts cultural and religious events. In addition to the landmarks and industry, the film also highlights modern investments in the city, such as the renovated railway track. Until recently, the tracks were unused and neglected, but now they are gaining new significance. The modernization of this infrastructure makes Strzegom better connected with the rest of the region, opening up new opportunities for tourism and economic development. Shots of the railway tracks crossing through the picturesque landscape showcase the dynamic growth of the city and its ambitions for the future. A renewed look at the Basilica, one of the largest and most beautiful Gothic structures in Lower Silesia. Its construction began in 1253. The Basilica's interior impresses with its network, star, and cross vaults, as well as its rich decor, including a late Gothic baptismal font from the 16th century and a Renaissance pulpit from 1592. Seeing it in person is even more breathtaking, an absolute must-visit on the map of Strzegom and its surroundings. It is also worth mentioning that the equestrian competitions in Strzegom are among the most important events of this kind in Poland and Europe. The Strzegom horse trials and other competitions held at the Murawa Hippodrome attract riders from all over the world, giving us the chance to see top equestrians and horses in action. On-site, visitors can enjoy a fan zone, attractions for children, food trucks, and many other amenities. The Murawa Hippodrome is surrounded by picturesque meadows and forests, creating the perfect setting to admire top-level equestrian sports in a stunning natural landscape. An inseparable part of Strzegom's identity is granite extraction. Quarries and stone processing plants have shaped the region's economy for centuries. Strzegom granite is renowned not only in Poland, but also worldwide. It has been used in the construction of many prestigious structures, including roads, monuments, and public buildings. While quarries are places of hard labor, they also stand as a testament to the power of human engineering and the ability to transform the landscape in a thoughtful and functional way. In conclusion, Strzegom is a city well worth visiting. Its monumental churches, central market square, granite quarries, equestrian competitions, and modern infrastructure make it a highly attractive destination on the map of Lower Silesia. We warmly invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Great Polonia Group TV, and visit our website, greatpolonia.pl. Hotels, apartments, shelters. Thank you.